In this video, I'm gonna be taking a look at the Gravitrax starter set. We bought this for my son for Christmas, and this has been super fun to play with. You get 33 of the track pieces, and that includes the 21 of these curved pieces, as well as a number of the other types of features and functions. This set also comes with many elevation platforms, and so this is a half size and this is a full size. It does come with 6 marbles, and these are heavy duty metal marbles. And then there are 18 of these bridges, and these help to bridge between the pieces and can go uphill and downhill depending on how you set it up. The pack also comes with 2 of these elevation platforms, which you can use to create higher levels above the base. And then it comes with an instruction manual on how to get started, as well as this book that contains many different setups you can create. So when we started out, we set up one of the samples, and then after that, we just went to it and created our own creation. The one downside is that we keep running out of pieces and not being able to do as much as we want, but there is still a lot you can do with what comes with just this one set. So if all you get is this one set, you still have hours and hours of fun to do. And inside the guide are many different tracks and configurations that you can build, as well as building your own. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.